What makes VCU IDP program unique is that we actually care about our students from day one they join the school until they graduate. We strive to give them the best learning experience where they can form great lifelong relationships with their peers, with their colleagues, and also get to learn the cutting-edge dentistry that can help them provide the best patient care to our patients in the community.
Creating a family environment for our IDP students is something that we strive for. And having them in a small group of 10 in the summer boot camp is a great opportunity for that before they blend and they get integrated with the second-year dental students in a much bigger class. So working in seminars, in clinical activities, in laboratory activities during the summer gives us this opportunity to really welcome them as a family, work very close to them during this time before they integrate with the dental students.
I mean, we as an IDP are merged to the regular class directly in the second year. So the people, the students are so welcoming, so respectful. They made this transition much easier for us to get merged with them and with the studies.
So our international students already come with this background and they're already practicing dentists in their own countries. So they bring a huge clinical experience. So I personally feel we need to accelerate. They're looking for not only getting credentials to practice dentistry in U.S., but I feel they're also looking for digital technology, like digital dentistry. CAD/CAM nowadays is getting used so much in the United States, especially in VCU. We are at the forefront of that. So them learning that, advanced implant technologies, newest dental materials, and application of evidence-based dentistry. I think these are some of the areas that they can accelerate and enhance those points.
The most rewarding part about my experience is VCU. And this has been, for me, it has been an incredible journey. With the odds of 1 to 1,000 to be here. So I can speak with eyes full of tears to tell you how happy I am to be here. I know right now I'm a D3 student and my confidence is beyond my imagination. So I know that when I graduate, all the hard work that VCU had invested in me is gonna pay off.